Hello, everyone. This is Brenda Abraham, the Lifestyle Income Coach from BrendaAbraham.com. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on the all-in-one SEO plugin pack by Michael Turbant. It is one of the best and most widely used plugins for search engine optimization of your blog. And speaking with other bloggers, I've realized that many of you, especially people new to blogging, they are not using this powerful plugin correctly. And a lot of you are downloading and installing on your blog, but are not configuring it. If it is not configured, your blog will not receive the benefits of having this plugin. So let's begin, and I'm going to show you how to configure this plugin once you've installed it. So we're going to go in the back office of my blog, sidebar, so you find it under your general under settings, and go ahead and click it. Alright, so I am in the back office of my blog, and I'm going to scroll down. When you first install the plugin, you get a little box that pops up that tells you that you need to configure the plugin as well as enable it. If you do not have this little box right here, click, it's not going to work either. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the setup of the plugin itself. So your home title right here, your home title is actually the name of your blog, and this is not your URL. This is what your blog is about. Alright, so for me, my URL is BrendaAbraham.com, but the title of my blog, which is the most important thing for your blog in SEO, is Internet and Affiliate Marketing, MLM, Leadership and Training. Make sure that your home title have some of your keywords or your most important keywords that you're trying to rank for as your home title. Now, in your home description, this is what is referred to as your meta tags, and this shows up in Google right under your home title. So you want to give a good description. It could be a couple of sentences telling exactly what your blog is about, or like I have several keywords that I want to rank for, and also when people look at these words, the keywords that I have right here, like internet marketing, affiliate marketing, etc., they will see the things that I'm going to be discussing on my blog, or the things that they can find on my blog. And then of course you want to include your keywords, the keywords for your blog. All right, this is not for your individual posts, this is for the overall blog, the things you're trying to rank your blog for. Canonical URLs checked. You want to have that checked. And what that does is that helps you not have duplicate content. You don't, instead of having two addresses for your website, you will have one. So if you start up with your www dot, then you want to go ahead and be consistent with that. If you just start up with the http colon / and then your website, you want to stick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and continue configuring this plugin. So now we are at the rewrite titles. The rewrite title box needs to be checked, and this box controls the 6 title format that is sitting directly underneath of it. Now when you first come into the plugin, the first, second, and third boxes has this little extension right here in each of them. I've already configured my plugin on my blog, so I've already removed them. So you are going to remove this little pipe and block title from the first 3 boxes only, and then you will leave the default in the next 3 boxes. Also in the next 3 boxes down, you're also going to leave the default in there as well. Alright, so now we are at our use categories for meta keywords. The default is to have this box unchecked. However, if you're using your category titles if you're using your keywords rather as your category titles, then you would want to have this one checked. I do intend to do that, so that is the reason why I have mine checked. And you would do the same for your tags. You want to go ahead and leave that checked. Your dynamically generate keywords for post pages, you want to leave that unchecked. Use no index for categories, you want to check that. You want to check the use no index for archives, and the same for tag archives. And then the auto generate descriptions, I have that checked. And because I'm trying to keep this video, as short as I can, I have an accompanying blog post for this video, and I do have a more in-depth description of the auto-generate descriptions on my blog. The capitalized category titles, you want to leave that unchecked. And then the rest of these boxes, as I scroll down, all of these, that's the default, and you want to go ahead and leave those unchecked. And then you want to go ahead and make sure that you click on update, and that would complete your installation of the all-in-one SEO pack. So we're going to move on to how to use this SEO pack with your individual pages and posts. Alright, so now we're ready to put this powerful plugin to work for us to help us to rank in the search engine. And this part of the tutorial is very, very important, because this is the part of the tutorial, or this is the part where I'm going to show you how you will be using this plugin on a daily basis, or however often you post to your blog. So you need to pay special attention. It's very, very simple. The way you get to this area right here, what I did is I went into an existing post on my blog. But when you're posting to your blog, of course, you're going to do a new post, and under every new post or page, you will see this listing for the all-in-one SEO pack. And it's very similar to when we first configured the SEO pack for your entire blog. Remember where you had to do your title and your description? Well, now you're doing it for your individual post or page. All right. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come down to here where it says title. You're going to go ahead. You can put the title of your post in there. But if you want to rank for keywords, you can also change this title up just a little and add a couple more keywords in there to help you rank. And of course, you only have 60 characters, to get whatever it is you're going to say into that little space. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to do your description. And again, your description kind of reminds me of Twitter. You only have X amount of characters. This happens to be 160 for the description. And again, you can use keywords, or you can use a couple of sentences right from your post, giving a description of what your post is about. And then you're going to go ahead and add your keywords, and one of the ways that I look for keywords real quick is I go to the Google keyword tool, and I look for keywords to put in this box, and each keyword that you put in here, you will follow it by a comma and then the next keyword. And then this box here, for whatever reason you do not want that your post to rank, then you will disable the SEO plugin on this by clicking this box. Now there's a couple of things I want to mention. For the page post, it is basically the same. There is just two additional things that you would have to pay attention to, and that would be the title attribute and the menu label, and they will be listed if you are doing a page. So what I did with those is I went ahead and give you a detailed description of those on the accompanying blog post on my blog over at brendaAbraham.com. So you might want to go ahead and watch the video, as well as go over to my blog and read my posts regarding this matter. So there you go, guys. That's it for the all-in-one SEO plugin. It is a powerful plugin, and you should have it on your blog. Go ahead and follow these instructions and install it and put it to use it is going to be of a great benefit to you. If you found my video tutorial helpful, I would appreciate you sharing it with your friends and leaving me comments below. Also, head over to my blog and you will find more content on the internet marketing and affiliate marketing, as well as MLM leadership and training. All right, until next time, Brenda Abraham for BrendaAbraham.com.